AI is rapidly transforming business, redefining efficiency, and unlocking previously unimagined opportunities. Yet some companies may not realize its potential risk, with some only backing up a fraction of their AI data. AI workloads are prime targets for cyber threats, potentially putting your mission-critical operations and data at risk. At Dell Technologies, we understand the critical importance of protecting AI data. We can help you secure your AI workloads and achieve your business goals. Dell PowerProtect Data Manager provides modern, simple, and resilient protection for diverse workloads. When paired with the PowerProtect Data Domain Platform, you get even faster performance and more efficient operations for cyber resilience across on-premises and multi-cloud environments. From AI use cases such as cyber resiliency, compliance, and legal protection, to workload state and data set reconstruction, we've got you covered, ensuring your AI data and infrastructure is safeguarded against loss, corruption, and infiltration. Working together, Dell PowerProtect Solutions and the Dell AI Factory ensure that every component, from data sources to AI models, is secure and optimized. Don't merely assume your AI data is protected. Transform and fast-track your AI strategy with a market-leading partner you can trust. Protect your AI investments and secure your future with PowerProtect Data Protection and the Dell AI Factory.